Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad Sangma and Education Minister Lakmen Rimboe on Monday made a surprise visit to Pine Mount School in Shillong following concerns raised by students, parents and the public. Pine Mount was in the headlines last month after parents and teachers staged a protest demanding the suspension of school principal Ayomke Diengdo. It was alleged that he was never present during school hours and had neglected repair work. On September 7, the Education Department set up an inquiry committee to probe into the various complaints and grievances of teachers of Pine Mount. The four-member committee, headed by Education Department Secretary Rinti Lang Rapthap, has been asked to submit its report and recommendations to the state government at the earliest.
The inspection, what is
Yes, after detailed discussion with the Honorable Education Minister and based on his suggestions, we have decided to come and visit here in Pine Mount School. As we are all aware that there were some concerns that have been raised by parents and the past pupils regarding some issues that were there in Pine Mount School, and this being one of the premier institutes of our state, and in the recent past there have been a lot of issues that have come up out here. So therefore we felt that a site visit and coming and seeing things for yourself would give us a better perspective on the current situation out here. So based on that, we had decided to come here and visit Pine Mount School along with the Honorable Education Minister and other officials, including our Chief Secretary. And we have seen that there are concerns regarding amenities like toilets. So we have taken a decision on the spot that whatever repair has to be done to improve the infrastructure in terms of toilets, in terms of other infrastructures which require repairs will be done. At the same time, we have also seen that the hostel facility is not at all up to the mark, and a lot of things are required to be done. And so we have also decided that in fact there is a proposal already and the sanction has already been done.
Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to East Mojo. For any queries, put them down in the comments section below and press on the bell icon for notifications.